Hello mini fans, welcome back to another episode. MOT day, so we're out on the drive. We're going to drop the Cooper off for its MOT. Let's hope that all our hard work has paid off. So let's drop it down now. Right, okay, you can see I'm in a lay-by with the Mini. The Cooper has broke down for the first time ever. I think I've figured it out though. I've run out of fuel, but the fuel gauge says I've got half a tank. I think what's happened is me putting that new pump in has caused me grief. I think the sender has got caught on the pump. Obviously been too excited, not really keeping track of how much fuel I've been using. Obviously the gauge has always worked, so I've got no reason to doubt it. Maybe I should have done, but there we go. So just hopefully waiting for a friend to pull up with a tank of fuel. Hopefully we'll put it in and get up and running. So here we go. A little bit of a wait, but that's fine. It's a glorious day. Can't grumble, can we? So let's have a quick look around the car while we're waiting. Right, so we've been using it. So it is a bit dusty. But we're looking good. Doors and everything looking amazing. No more rot. Just looking good in the sun. All the rot down this side all sorted. Those nice new seals. And obviously the scuttle as well. Looking good. the road. This cost me £25 from eBay. I thought I'd go cheap, see how it goes. Might live to regret it, but I'm hoping not. Right, okay, update. We've pulled a tank because I'm not trusting that pump, and it's a good job I did. Let me show you what we found. Right, so we've pulled the tank out. There it is. Right, fuel pump. Don't use the pipe that comes in the kit. Look at that. It's blown. I'm getting no pressure to the engine. So I'm going to change this pipe now. I've got no idea what the rating of this hose is, but I'm going to replace it, and then hopefully we'll be back up and running again. So fingers crossed, everybody. There we go, you can see the split. Right, new hose fitted, just got to strap that back on and then get it back in the tank and give it a go. There we go, running. Just that stupid hose. There you go. Lesson learned. Don't buy cheapy stuff from eBay.